Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's quick tutorial, I'll show you how to log out of your Google account on your Android device. Let's get started. First, check your account on the Google app. Once you check it, then log out your account. Step 1. Open Settings. First, open the Settings app on your phone. Step 2. Access Accounts. Scroll down and tap on Accounts or Accounts in Sync, depending on your device. Step 3. Select your Google account. Now, select the Google account you want to log out of. To log out, tap on Remove Account. A confirmation message will pop up. Just confirm, and your account will be logged out from this device. And that's it. You've successfully logged out of your Google account. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.